Whenever you're ready.
That other deer's below him, so if you got a clear shot, take it. If not, I'd wait. Okay, you got him.
They're
He's
head
the
to
one on
head.
the right.
The right deer. Take your time.
You got all the time in the world, man. All they're gonna do is walk over those fucking dogs. Okay, he's turning a little bit. Now he's facing to the right. Now he's walking. Now he's perfectly broadside facing to the right. His head's up. He's looking at us. He's the only deer looking at us right now. Well, now he's looking down towards the canyon.
On the right. Yep, not moving. Broadside.
Yeah, he's the one looking down into the canyon now. His head's down feeding.
Yep. You see that cedar? Right below it.
He's still the one on the right-hand side.
Oh, and then the smaller deer went up into the left below the cedar. Or by the cedar.
You got it on record, Evan?
I do. I don't want to miss it, so I could just, you can edit it if you want. He's quartering away. Head turns broadside. All right, whenever you're ready.
He's walking. Now he stopped.
Oh, hi, hi.
Hi.
He's.
You went, I think, it looked like you were about maybe inches over his back.
Yep. Okay, so he's
the one on
lower.
the left. Both of them are together.
Let me
He's the
try
one
to
on
get
the
back
left.
on him.
He's on the left.
I'm on him. Left deer.
He's on the left. He's looking kind of over towards us. He's standing still.
He's walking.
He's still the one on the left.
You hit him.
Hit him. He's in the rocks.
He's in the rocks.
He's in the rocks.
He's going down.
He's the one on the right. He's in the rocks.
He's going down.
He's done. He's taking a dirt nap in those rocks right there.
He's done. He's toast. Toast.
Don't go down the hill.
Good job.